Welcome to my YouTube channel Trending Effect. In this video, I am going to show you about different trollers on different platform, how prices change on different platforms. I am going to teach you about affiliate programs, how can you perform and get more leads on affiliate link. Also teach you about if you are interested to going to launch your own product, then it's also benefit for you. You can get more profit generate instead of get profit on leads. Troller. First of all, trollers, you need to know about why your consumer get this troller. You need to describe them that this troller you need best for your body exercise. You don't need to go at gym, you work with them at your home inside. You need to perform different tasks and provide them as a result that this stroller benefit for you. So first you need to keep in your mind that why they need to buy this stroller. So you need to teach him that this stroller is beneficial, advantages or harmful for them. Okay. um, let's check it out. eBay, check out the price of the troller is best for back pain use. Troller price on eBay is $12.72. Some trollers are less price and some are high price. Many trollers products are launched in market for different uses. Some are plain trollers and many are for short size, a huge size for body, for your back, for your legs, for your foot, hands. Different type of trollers launched in market. So first need to check the benefit of the trollers. Okay, why we need to buy from eBay, why need to buy from Amazon, why we need to buy Alibaba. First, I know the benefit, I need to know about the benefit of the trollers. Is this troller is best for my back pain or harmful for my back pain? So in the images you can check how you can perform different tasks on a troller at your home. Troller is best for home use. Different size of men and women can use this. No age limit for a specific troller required. In this video, my aim to teach you about, you can check about many product about rollers are launched in the market. Be aware about that and get which is suitable and best for you. First you need to check about which is best, which is that no harmful for your back pain. The question is keep in your mind and circular in your mind. Circle is how to check that without buying that this stroller is best for us or not. It's very important facts you need to know, that you can check about reviews of the strollers, because many people buy from Amazon, eBay, Alibaba. They can, if they are like, then they are providing their feedback in the commenting box, providing their reviews that this is good, this is bad, this is harmful, this is hard, soft, anything else, which type of reviews they are providing. So in affiliate marketing, affiliate product, you need to check firstly the reviews of the product. What is the review of my consumer about this product, and also keep in mind that which product I'm going to sell, I'm going to launch my affiliate link, which this product is used in which area. Like the stroller is mostly used in United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and many other countries. So first of all, you need to know and check out which type of stroller is most used, like a ball stroller in use in which country, and other different type of other circle stroller is used in which country. So all of you need to know about the stroller you are captured and targeted is used in which country. So then, after keep in mind, you need to know that how can you get lead from our affiliate link and product. You can get the link from Amazon, eBay, affiliate link. So then the link is used in your campaign, whatever your campaign use on Facebook, TikTok manager, ads manager, like Google ads is best film platform for ads, and many other platform for ads. So you need to get the affiliate link and go to the different ads advertising platform and provide them link and invest some of little amount on it. Then create a campaign on targeting different countries and price. Keep in mind, if you need to more leads, then your price is about reasonable, then your consumer can buy it from this. So main purpose of the campaign is to get, if you have no social media link, no anything else, so you need to go on campaign advertisement, then you can get lead. During creating campaign, different platform require to create your own campaigns. So creating your own campaigns, they set up perform a page, and then you need to know that which category, which country, which bid, and what is the amount to target, and what is the area I am going to target. All things you keep in mind, and with the passage of time, when campaign is running, you need to check it out. And if you are providing affiliate link, then keep in mind that advertisement can cut your amount from, if you are get leads from the link, then the company which are advertising is used can get the link. Thank you so much.